Hello guys, welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on Instagram. Sorry, this page is not available. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting and tap on Wi-Fi. From here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection and turn off Wi-Fi toggle, and after a few minutes you have again turn on, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and scroll down and tap on system setting and tap on this, scroll down and tap on backup and reset, tap on this and tap on reset phone and tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your again setting and tap on this and tap on apps. From here you tap on apps management. From here you search for this Instagram, scroll down and tap on Instagram, tap on this. From here you tap on storage usage, tap on this and tap on clear cache and clear data, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the method doesn't work, then go back your home screen and open your Play Store, and from here search for this Instagram, tap on Instagram. From here you make sure that update new version on Instagram, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and tap on long press on Instagram and tap on uninstall, and after a few minutes you have again install your Instagram, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.